My name is Tyler Strickland, and I would like to welcome you to the Healthy You YouTube channel. Healthy You is a company that works relentlessly to be the most trusted, convenient, and reliable source for pain care supplies and equipment. We are a family-owned and operated business founded in 1952 by my grandfather, Dr. Roy Childers. We measure our success by providing our customers with unbeatable prices, comprehensive customer service, and ultimately improving the lives of those we work with. On our channel, you will find reviews, how-tos, tips and tricks, and information about our value-added services. We create a steady stream of multiple videos every month featuring great content for chiropractors, physical therapists, massage therapists, and individuals looking to improve their overall health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel to never miss out on a new video, and visit us at healthyuweb.com or call today.